Welcome back into Sports Extra. With all the schools beyond the Fargo-Moorhead area, it's virtually impossible to constantly chronicle each one athletically. But one basketball team that stands in its own area is making its name known past the city limits. Out in rural Hatton sits a public school basketball team that's put themselves on the Eastern Dakota athletic radar. Hatton High, home to the Thunder Boys team that's been roaring loud enough to be heard from all the way out in the open.
The best part is probably the practices. These guys really get after it in practice. They work their tails off. It's game speed, you know, it's constant, always pushing each other.
It's been a lot of fun. We've been playing some really good team basketball. It's been a lot of fun. Coach has been telling us the right things to do. We're playing as a team and having a blast. We didn't lose any starters from last year, so that really helped us with the chemistry and the off-season work we put in. It's really helped us this year.
After a 17-8 season last year that ended in a fourth-place finish in the Region 2 tournament, the team is gearing up for another run at a championship, but not thinking too far ahead.
Biggest game's the next game we have, and we just focus on the next game, and if we win that game, then we focus on the next one after that. It's just one game at a time, and that'll bring us success.
We can't be thinking about the playoffs yet. We can't be thinking about the state tournament yet. We're thinking about our next game as the most important game.
They sit atop the standings right now and have already equaled their win total from last year. Now, it's about taking that next step, the final step. The Thunder take on Thompson tomorrow night with their eyes on that game only. Not always an easy mindset to have when you've been as good as they've been, Nick.